Here we come to the elevator at Belk, Caroline Place Mall in Pineville, North Carolina. It's huge. Let's go 3 because I'm going up to top floor once. Oh. Phone. Let's go 1. It's just an office. Let's close the door. See? Oh, it's... Oh, we're stopping on 2. Going down.
Wait. We gotta let them in, Michael.
Hold on. Come in. You're going down 1.
Yes, please.
Okay. You can let go.
Okay.
I'm doing research on the elevators. No nudge mode.
Does the bell on this elevator work, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The account works up and works in the down. We'll let them go first.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you. Very
Been
nice.
holding that door
Have a
for
good
me.
day.
Thank you.
We'll get you off on this floor because I'm empty on the first floor.
Yep. All right, Michael.
Here you go. Are you going up?
Yes.
Have a good day. Ooh.
I got it. Go ahead and finish your video, Michael.
Okay. And that's it.